Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from the Bobbi Boss line. She is a lace front wig. So stay tuned and see what this particular wig has to offer. See you soon. So I've turned the wig inside out, and of course I've cut the lace off the front of the wig. You do see that it has that 4.5 deep lace part there. This is the construction of the wig cap. You do have a comb on both sides of the wig, on the right and left side, and you do have one in the back. There is none in the front of the wig, but you do have 3 combs for added security. For you the Raela wig from the Bobbi Boss line. I am going to be reading some of the information off of the stock card here. So she does have soft waves, and she has a whole series of different wigs. It's actually a total of about 4 other wigs from this particular line. She comes with a 4.5 deep lace part, which is spot on. It has the sleek textured hair with volume, and that is spot on as well. This wig is soft. It has premium hair. I love it. Absolutely love it. Check the description box below for the price and the other colors that this particular wig comes in. I am enjoying it. I'm going to go ahead and give you a 360 view so that you can see all sides. Now on this particular wig, I don't spend time styling on this particular channel. I'm sorry. I don't spend time styling it. So what I did was I actually placed it on my head. I cut off the lace front because this is a lace front wig, and I placed it on. And here we have it. She is so pretty. I'm going to come up close so that you can see this particular color is the LMOCA color, the TF1B light mocha, and hopefully you're able to see those colors in this particular wig. I absolutely love it. Wow, she's beautiful. So if you would like to see all of the information pertaining to the wig, I will have it down below in the description box. But what I would like for you to do is go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I actually enjoy making the videos, but I also would love it dearly if you would subscribe to the channel. And if you're liking the content, why not give me a thumbs up? I would greatly appreciate it. So until next time, take care of yourself and each other, and I'll see you right back here next week on Everything Beauty's YouTube channel.